According to Blanc, it is a systematic method of... Oh, Chada! Blanc facilitates the primary methods.
Secondary.
Yeah!
Uy, bigla.
Blanc organizes its resource to solve the basic needs to the community with participation of the people.
Main organization.
Yes, perfect. Facilitates the primary methods.
Secondary.
Yes. According to Blanc, it is a systematic. Yes. Refers to organize and legally permitted activities designed to mobilize public opinion.
Social action.
Yes, perfect. Lagsila. Every profession needs some skills and techniques to achieve certain goals.
Social welfare administration.
Yes, perfect.
Muras pagguruan yung tanan. Muras pagguruan yung tanan.
Blanc is a medium-sized group. Blanc is good. Yes. Right, uy, right. Hi, guwap. Sagwapa niya, oy. Isa ka, lista ka.
Grabe ka, Gwen.
Ah.
Wala ko unsa na.
QRTCC stands for
Kuana kanang QR.
QRTCC.
Unsa ka nito sa kuana?
Akala ka, yung kami ni-release tayo.
Ano dito? Quick response for children's concern.
One active.
Ay, quick response team for children's concern.
Yes. Earning guwapa. Temporary 24-hour residential group care. Yes. Hi, guwap.
Sorry, tawin ko na dito, tawin ko doy.
Blanc organizes its resource to solve the basic needs of the community with participation of the people.
Community organization.
Yes, perfect. Guwapa. Place locality a center of source as of activities or power.
Locus.
Yes. Our systematic and planned way of performing an activity which is fundamental to social work.
Primary method.
Yes. Blanc are typically client system which might include an individual. Ayun.
Ay, stop. Ay,
CNSP stands for
Children Needing Special Protection.
yes. Blanc are one-on-one contact.
Direct service.
Yes, correct. Every profession needs some skills and techniques to achieve certain goals.
Social welfare administration.
Yes.
Secondary.
Yes.